This is the How to Beach channel, and today we've got a special fishing video for you guys. This is one of those days where everything just sort of came together. The water was perfectly flat, there was no wind, the fish were biting, and we saw a whale shark. No, wait, correct that. We saw two whale sharks. The first one kind of just comes up under the boat and we got a quick shot of it, but then towards the end of the video, we got some really good footage of a whale shark coming up and swimming right by the boat for us. So we're going to take you guys out. These are public numbers right off Panama City Beach, so anybody can go fish these numbers. We caught all kind of fish, snapper, king, but watch some of the fishing video and stay to the end to see the whale shark, and then we'll show you all the fish we caught at the very end of the video. Got? I don't know. Pretty. Didn't do that. On the flat line. It's 100 feet long. I can see it. It's going that way. Damn. I've never seen one. White dot! Holy crap! I have never in my life seen one. We have now. Now you know. Nice. Well, I got two fish in the box. Come on, Mark! Pull it up! Huh? He's off. I see it. It's a little baby snapper. Baby snapper, come on in there. We got a fish over here. We got a fish over there. We don't know what this fish is. We need a fish ID. What is it? Banded. It's got bands on it. It don't look like him. Oh, there he is. Oh. Let a little bit of line out and he hit it at the exact same time. There he is. There you go. I got this one on Bonita. You see him? Mark, why don't you just only fish with the shark pole?
I know. I just got the shark. But I can't believe he's hitting it.
We'll just put this piece of the on there. Come on, get him up. Show us some muscles. Oh, we got a double going. Whoever gets him up first to the boat. This is the part where you got to reel.
Yeah. No.
Oh.
I don't know why I missed this one.
Nah.
Oh, he got it off perfect. Huh?
We'll check back in with Mark when he gets it in the boat.
He even
Stick it in that rod holder. What you need, Phil?
Give me that net, Jeff.
All right. Good job. This one was on the live line. What'd you have on there? Cigar minnow?
I'm pretty sure we did. We got to double check this score.
Saw the fin. There he is, right there. Oh.
Holy cow.
You okay, buddy? Yeah.
Holy
Whoa!
cow. Jeff, you gonna jump in with him?
If I had a mask, I might. Yeah, just keep this course.
Oh my gosh. I guess that was his tail sticking up. Yeah.
Turn a
Here
little
it
bit.
comes.
Is that his mouth out of the water?
That's his mouth.
He's kind of coming towards us a little.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, kind of an intersect kind of thing. Trying to get us about the same time. Yeah. That's the same right here. See his body? There's your money shot.
It's too far.
Holy cow. Look, hop up, hop up.
If I lose a pinky, I'm gonna be pissed.
Ah!
Okay, here's our haul from today. We got Colbera snapper, red snapper, porgy, a king. Oh no, we got a king that got bitten in half by a barracuda on the way in. We got a bonita that got his tail bit off by a barracuda on the way in. We got a porgy Oh, is that a porgy?
Nope, those are vermilion snapper.
That's a vermilion.
The one yellow one next to it's
That's a
lane.
vermilion also.
Yes.
This is a lane snapper.
Oh my! Look at all those
And
snappers.
yeah, all the snappers.
We're having fish Friday night, by the way.
I hope that you liked this video. If you did, go and watch this video next. I've got more fishing videos on this channel, but we've also got gear reviews, tours of all kinds of beaches around the world, Caribbean beaches, Mexico, St. Thomas, Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, everything about the beach here in this channel. We're going to start doing some more fishing videos, so be sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.